And how much milk do I need? Half a cup. So, oh, there's my oven. Half a cup of milk. Now there's still some sugar in the bottom of that, but that's okay. Extra sugar's always good, right? Add all of the milk. Ooh, it kind of bubbled up. That's interesting. Okay, and then the rest of the flour. See, I'm doing this with the hand that has the Fitbit. That way it's counting steps too. Even though I'm not taking it. Okay. Now, it says take care not to overmix the batter. But aren't you supposed to get all those lumps out? Isn't that the point? Now the other thing I should say is I was thinking about using the Splenda, or actually the Splenda sugar mix instead of just sugar, because my husband's a diabetic. So I was like, oh, if I could take that shortcut, that would be much better. But I know, being a science professor, that sugar is actually a leavening agent. And so if you don't use the sugar, it won't bubble up as much as it should. I think most of the lumps are out of there. So it says pour and put in oven. Okay. Right. Let's go with the other tray first. Maybe carefully walk it over here. Now, as you've already seen my pouring skills, I'm going to use a spoon. In there. Okay. So we're going to fill up these. Oopsie. Oh. See, again, with the lovely pouring skills. And I even used a spoon. Okay, so now I can fill them up just a little bit more. Now, I know I don't have to fill them up too much, or at least not all the way to the top, because I've done that before. Then they all stick together because they're all over full. And that's a lovely mess. Oh, there we go. Okay. Well, that says it made 12, and it actually makes 12. Just enough for a little bit more. Not sure what I'm going to do with that little tiny one. Maybe I'll give it to my dog. Okay, I do need to clean up that or else it will bake right onto my tray. And that is no good. And that. Yep, that's good. the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. So. Now I am a big believer in timers because I grew up with my mom always burning the buns, always. So I don't have a fancy, well I do have a fancy timer, it's called Alexa. Alexa, set timer for 9 minutes.
9 minutes, starting now.
I don't know what answers me over there, but okay, 9 minutes. So I'll see you in 9 minutes.